घर में सबके फोन पे लॉक है, सबका अपना अपना फोन है, सिर्फ मम्मी का फोन यूनिवर्सल है।
मुझे मम्मी ने जीपे कोड बता दिया है, पता है?
क्या?
मैं तो मिसयूज करती हूँ। मेरी मॉम ने 4 मोर शॉट्स देखा था, सेकंड थर्ड सीजन तक पहुंची और फिर बोल रही है उसमें बहुत ज्यादा लेस्बियन बता रहे हैं।
I hate that laughter, that fucking annoying.
Dude, it is so annoying.
नहीं, चिली चिकन मंगाए तो क्रिस्पी चिकन।
Oh yeah, of course. Like, until I hear my dad going like while brushing.
Me.
Yeah, Zia is our dad of the group. My dad's favorite show is Tarak Mehta. It's playing on the TV and it's playing on his phone simultaneously. He's watching both screens at the same time and both are playing Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
अरे वाह, गुड आइडिया.
For 2 minutes, if I couldn't spot my mom, I used to start crying, bawling my eyes out. Like, आई कुठे, आई पाहिजे.
Hi guys, I'm Sanjana. I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
And I'm Zia.
And we are Besharam.
I almost said I'm Srishti. I don't know why.
Everyone wants to be Srishti.
Oh my god, yes. I love when my tops have only one hand. Dude, do you remember when you wore this top for the first time in front of... And I was taking a video of Dhritika and then I caught this on video where like your mom was genuinely shocked as to why your top only has one hand.
नहीं दूसरा हाथ नहीं तुझा मैं दूसरा हातच नाहीये काय भिकाऱ्यासारखे कपडे घेते ना काय बाई तिशी.
She was like, did you get a defective piece?
No,
and not
no.
realize.
She was just like, इधर का किधर है? ये कहाँ है?
She
And
said
what is
Marathi.
this? Yeah, she was
Yeah.
like, इकडचा कुठे है?
So cute.
And
yeah.
then this one is like, हाँ ना auntie, I keep telling her wear full clothes, wear full clothes. Yeah.
पूर्ण
पूर्ण
कपड़े
कपड़े
घाल.
घाल.
Yeah.
My mom all the time. पूर्ण.
Yeah.
I feel like now my parents have given up.
Yeah.
They have genuinely just
But
given up.
I feel like parents and not agreeing with what you wear is a great indication that you are on the right track and you're wearing the right thing.
Wow. That's so profound.
Yeah, like if anytime you want to know if you look good, just ask your mom or dad, hey, do I
Yeah.
look good? And if they say no, that means you look great.
That's
Yes.
the thing. I have fully spoiled my parents.
Yes.
I have
Right?
spoiled my parents
Yes,
100%.
yes,
And I
yes.
know like somebody's gonna watch this, and those somebody being my mom and my dad, and they're gonna be like, they're gonna straight away argue with me as to
Yeah,
why
yeah.
I think this. But bro, trust me, I listen to a lot. Like people do, like people my age. I know people that walk out if they like don't give a shit. But I'm like still
Considerate.
considerate, भाई नहीं तो ठीक है, दिख रहा है इधर का उधर का मैं चेंज कर लूंगी.
Yeah.
It's
I
like
don't.
too bad. Yeah, I know you don't.
I don't.
But yeah, I
Then
think
you know whatever I'm wearing, it becomes an issue of liberalism, feminism.
हाँ वो सब तो conversation मैंने की ही नहीं है अभी तक.
Yeah.
वो वाली conversation तक मैं पहुंची ही नहीं हूँ.
और नया कॉन्सेप्ट अभी आया है मार्केट में.
अब हाँ तो वो बातें कैसी होती है जैसे हाँ हमें पता है कि क्या चल रहा है.
हाँ.
वो सब नहीं
हम भी
करना है.
रील्स देखते हैं.
या वो मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं हुई मैं उनको पूछने की कि क्या चल रहा है बताओ. चलो बताओ.
मुझे तो पता ही है.
हाँ.
आपका टेस्ट ले रही हूँ
हम दोनों ने देखी है वही सेम टीवी शोज तो सबको पता है वी आर ऑन द सेम पेज
Yeah.
है ना.
Yeah.
मेरी मॉम ने 4 मोर शॉट्स देखा था, ठीक है, और फिर वो सेकंड थर्ड सीजन तक पहुंची और फिर बोल रही है उसमें बहुत ज्यादा लेस्बियन बता रहे थे.
Damn, your mom is damn progressive while watching
Yeah.
four
Yeah,
more
yeah, her
shots.
favorite show is Breaking Bad.
Oh,
Whoa.
my
Yeah.
dad's favorite show is Tarak Mehta.
Yes.
To an extent where it's playing on the TV and it's playing on his phone simultaneously. He's watching
Yeah.
both screens at the same time
अच्छा.
and both are playing Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
My
Bro.
dad is very coy about liking Tarak Mehta because as in
He's
when
embarrassed.
as in no as in when the new episode started to come he's like क्या फालतूगिरी कर रहे हैं and then he stopped watching it. But then on his reels whenever it's like on his reel like he started giggling and shit like I know Tarak Mehta चल रहा है.
Yeah.
He's very coy about it.
I
So
feel like
cute.
my dad takes the clothes that Tapu Sinha wears as reference as to what I have to wear. Like, see, first of all, I am not going to wear
Half chata.
I'm not going to wear dangri pants. I am not going to wear a full sleeves frock till my knees and go out.
Velcro sandals.
Oh, bitch. Velcro sandals and have a hairband. I'm sorry for the stylists at Tarak Mehta. We love you. We love the
I'm
show.
not.
But like,
Yeah.
bro, why are they 25 and still in college?
They're still in college. पता नहीं कितनी बैक लगी है उनको कौन से कॉलेज में ठीक है वो मैंने वो दिन क्लिप देखा कि टप्पू इज टेलिंग सोनू कि आई लव यू
Yeah,
करके
I think उनकी शादी का
टप्पू
expected.
और सोनू दोनों को मैंने रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया है कौन ये लोग
Yeah, new people.
New people
Like I feel
Yeah.
every 6 months there's a new
There's a
person.
new
Yeah,
person.
Yeah.
and ऊपर से the problem is that yeah my parents also want me to dress up like Tapu Sena but the problem is that I give into it look at me
Our parents don't.
look at me I'm wearing Super Mario
Our parents don't want us to dress up like Sonu, but Tapu.
yeah sometimes Sonu will like show a little like shoulder
Oh my! How
Baap
dare
re.
she?
Baap re.
How dare she?
My mom never let me watch Tarak Mehta because this one reason, that was, so growing up I was a very I used to do a lot of mimicries. Whatever I used to see, I used to do a lot of mimicries. So then I used to pretend talking like Daya. ऐसा ऐसा करके. So then my mom got really mad one day, and then she like, you will keep talking like this, and I don't want that to happen.
yeah.
And then she removed that channel only from the TV.
I remember my mom once like darted me. I think she even hit me little because I was standing like Baga.
My mom and I love Baga's pose. It's too good.
It's so good.
Yeah,
Iconic.
it's weird because my mom like she judges my dad for watching like Tarak Mehta, but she'll also sit and watch it together. So I'm
Yeah.
like,
Aunties
bro, make
call
up your
about it.
mind.
My dad does
Yeah.
that, but like he pretends to hate Big Boss. But guess what?
Same.
Parents are cute,
Same.
like that.
Yeah.
They'll deny a lot of things, but when
Do it.
they like
Same.
enjoy it.
My
Yeah,
my
yeah,
dad
yeah.
tells me to watch Big Boss because I'm pursuing a psychology degree. So he's like, यही तो होता है human mind. ये देखो मैंने बोला अब्बू,
Exceptional human mind.
अब्बू, it's like let's keep it a secret.
No,
Yeah.
my parents are both diehard Crime Patrol fan. That's why
same.
they don't let me go out
Oh.
only.
Wow.
My dad.
1 second, ma'am.
सोचो.
सोच के बोलो.
सावधान रहिए, सतर्क रहिए.
Yeah.
So
बच्चे को बाहर ही मत भेजिए.
Yeah, yeah.
my mom really wasn't into watching like shows or TV series or whatever initially, and then my dad, like when my dad is in the mood, he'll like fucking binge watch for like 8 hours straight.
Love.
Like he will not get up even if my mom's like yelling from the background ki like उठ के काम कर, मेरे को help कर, ये कर वो
Same.
कर. He will not budge. He'll be like हाँ कर रहा हूँ, and then मम्मा ने काम करके time भी हो गया, but my dad hasn't gotten up from the seat.
Same.
And then ever since we moved to to our current new house, like where we're living in right now, there's only one bedroom and it's like a pretty compact space. So my mom does all of her work in the hall only now, because why would she sit in the kitchen and do
Yeah.
work?
Yes.
And my dad, he is currently obsessed with Korean drama, Korean and Turkish drama. Okay. And
What?
How
I'm
old
not
is your
kidding.
dad? Is he like 30?
He's almost 50.
I have not
No,
heard of,
but-
of an Indian dad liking
Out of all
K-drama.
of our dads, hers is the coolest.
I feel.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Bro, he's literally like he makes machines, doesn't he?
He's
yeah,
a
yeah,
he's
yeah.
Without
a chill
any sort
guy.
of he's a chill guy without
Hmm.
any sort of
Oh yeah, my
Uh,
dad once made a robot.
Yeah.
and he has no like
Like, he doesn't have a
degree
professional
or
degree in it.
background.
He just
he figured it out himself.
Yeah, he just
Yeah,
loves
yeah.
mechanics. He loves anything that has like a little bit of engineering into it, or like there's
Oh,
machines,
love.
there's wires. He
Yeah.
loves it.
Yeah.
And,
That's super cool.
Yeah.
no?
And my mom is really like fucking pissed about my dad watching K-drama.
Hmm.
And there's this one show, I don't know the name of it, but the female character's name is Zayoki.
Okay.
And my dad calls my mom Zayoki now.
Oh,
As a pet name.
That's so
And my
cute.
mom initially, she was like, listen, what is this? But now she's given into. Now she likes being called Zayoki.
Oh.
Very cute. Very
That's
cute.
so
My dad will
cute.
watch all the disruptive series only. He'll
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
watching Special Ops and
My dad loves that.
He loves
yeah,
it.
yeah.
We watch it
Family
together.
Man, Family Man, and
Everyone
something.
loves that show.
That me, mom, and dad, the three of us, we always watch it.
We will rewatch it sometimes, the four
Yeah,
of us,
same,
just
same.
out of the blue. ऐसा random
Yeah.
शुरू करते हैं हम लोग.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what we
Things
watch.
that parents watch are a different genre.
Yeah, yeah.
In
totally.
my opinion. See, I think this is an experience that all of us will relate to, even you guys sitting at home. This is an Indian dad thing, right? An Indian dad will wake up very early in the morning just to show the entire house that he's woken up at whatever time is appropriately early in your house.
And he's
Right?
staying true by his word by saying jaldi
Yeah.
utha karo.
Not considering the 3 hour nap he's taking after breakfast, but when they wake up and everyone else is sleeping in the house, especially if you have a Mumbai house that's like small, you can hear what's happening in one room, in every other room, if it's quiet. And when it's quiet, they need to see all of the WhatsApp videos that have been given to them
Yes.
throughout the night
Full volume.
on full volume.
Yes.
And it started to get brain rotty. So now there's AI voiceovers on these videos.
I hate that laughter, that fucking annoying.
Dude, it is so annoying.
So
Like,
fucking
they want the
annoying.
entire house to know that मैं ये देख रहा हूँ. तुम लोग
और
भी
ये
देखो.
funny है.
तुम लोग भी आ जाओ. तुम लोग भी देखो.
I completely like this is not the same thing in my house. It's very different because my dad, he's very smart. What he does is अगर office को 2 बजे जाना है, my dad पहले तो first of all thing he will go to the office at 2 p.m. मस्त एकदम brunch करेंगे घर पे, आराम से 2 बजे जाएंगे. तो he will get up at 1. Quickly he'll have a shower, then he'll do puja. जो भी बना होता है खा लेते हैं, निकल जाते हैं चुपचाप, ताकि फिर मम्मी के जो भी काम है वगैरह कुछ भी सुनना ही नहीं पड़े. He just
Good thing
rushes
phones are
quickly.
not invented yet.
He doesn't pick up.
Love.
Oh my god.
And then he'll just call her ऐसा randomly to talk like what are you doing and all. But once he starts with अच्छा this काम is left, we have to do this, like हाँ वो अभी officer है, बाद में बात करता हूँ.
Yeah, but I feel there's something about dads and being on their high horse about, oh, I get up early. But bro, have you considered the fact that you sleep after breakfast, after lunch, after chai?
So true.
Like, and then my dad is nicely on the couch with his phone on Facebook. He's like,
One thing about dads is they will
yeah,
nap.
they love napping.
They
Yeah,
love
I
nap.
love
Yeah,
that
yeah,
about my
yeah, yeah.
about dads. And then like sometimes I'm like, bro, just keep your phone aside and sleep, right? He's like, no, I am awake. I am watching. I am watching it.
No, he's
What do you mean?
No, I'm awake. I'm
Yeah,
awake.
dads have included doom scrolling. Sorry,
Yeah.
included नहीं. क्या बोलते?
Invented.
In,
Sorry.
oh yes, for sure.
My
Dads
dad
invented
isn't
doom
like this.
scrolling.
So my dad does stock market na, तो market shuts at 3:30.
3:30.
And it's been his routine for almost all his life where he hasn't slept up until 3:30.
Huh.
And then now that he's home more often because of all the work that we're doing at our previous house, he falls asleep exactly at 4. मतलब 4 बजे ही पापा को नींद आनी है और 4 बजे ही वो couch पर uncomfortably ही उनको नींद आएगी.
Yeah.
He will not take the effort of getting up and going in the room and sleeping on the bed.
Yeah.
मतलब वो इतू से compact space, भाई जितना ये है ना couch, I think थोड़ा सा उससे बड़ा breadth है couch का.
Wow.
And he will और वहीं पर नींद आएगी पापा को. बेड पर नहीं आएगी नींद और वो बस आधे घंटे की नींद
Bro,
होगी.
even
That-
my dad
that's it.
naps at office all the
office.
time at office.
That's
So
nice.
so he goes only at office at 2.
Hmm.
Then I reach before him. I have to reach before him
yeah.
because तू employee है. So I reach before him. Then I'll do my work. He'll come. He'll say hi, hello. थोड़ा बहुत interaction. We तो call it fan interaction. He comes near our cubicles. He'll just be like, हाँ क्या काम क्या चल रहा है? ये होना चाहिए. Goes back to his cabin. And again he'll come out for a while. सबको पूछेंगे lunch में क्या खाना है. Lunch आता है. सब बैठ के खाते हैं. Then there's this lounge area. उधर जाके मस्त सो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
Reels देखते
शाहरुख
देखते.
खान और अमिताभ बच्चन ने तो तेरे डैड से ही सीखा है.
But
वो लोग बालकनी में आकर वो जो हाय करते हैं
but it's these cute little habits that I
Yeah.
feel at least what I have experienced with my parents is my dad has these habits more than my mom.
Yes.
Is that and I'm pretty sure all of us have experienced this. Like, they will never let you step out of the house without asking, do you have money?
My dad
Yeah.
does that, yes.
And
yeah.
my bro, to this day, and like
Always.
I started earning now, and he'll still ask me, do you have enough money? Like
Yeah.
like knowing that like I have. Like
Yeah.
I mean I can sustain myself for the day.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
sometimes I feel like guilty, so I say I do, but then I don't.
No, but it's,
No, I
it's
always
as
think-
cute, yeah.
It's
Like
a very
yeah.
dad thing to do for
it's
sure.
a
Yeah,
very
yeah,
dad
yeah.
thing. That and like just staying up until
Yeah.
you come home.
Yeah.
No matter what the time
yeah,
is,
bro.
however mad they are at you,
Yeah,
like,
bro.
you will not be talking to them for like a month straight, which
Yeah,
doesn't
bro.
happen, but like they will stay up
Yeah.
Yes.
no
Yeah.
matter what.
Yeah.
Even if they're like falling asleep, they'll be like, no, I'll get up.
But that's so true.
Exactly,
They're very
that's-
cute like that. Like they really are creatures of habit.
Yeah.
It like yesterday also, like my dad was up till I
Same.
reached.
Yeah.
Same.
So was my mom, but that was because उन दोनों को मुझे डांटना था.
My mom was nicely cuddled up. in
हाँ.
her
So
bed.
you guys know this thing about my dad, or maybe I've mentioned it, but my dad has a routine, and it is like set in stone. He does not change his products. Uh, routine, like what order he does it in,
Uh-huh.
or any of it. Like everyone is on dad's standard time. We are not
Indian
DST.
standard time.
DST. Yeah, everyone's on DST. So one thing about him is he will pray 5 times no matter what. He has to go to the mosque and he has to pray over there. So even if it is a little inconvenient, if we have to go out or something, you'll be like, you guys go ahead.
I'll
I'm
come.
gonna do my thing and
Yeah.
I'm gonna come there
Fair,
directly.
fair,
Fair.
fair. Yeah.
And then he has this morning mein when he wakes up, he will he has, so because of him everyone uses Colgate Total 12 hour in my house.
Love.
It is spicy, it is very strong, and you guys, whenever you guys brush at my house, you always complain why it's so strong. But
Yeah.
now I
Jalta
can't
mera muh.
now I can't use any other toothpaste, guys.
Yeah.
I don't use any other toothpaste
Yeah.
besides that. Then he has his when he takes a shower, he needs his fa ka sabun, he needs his absorb ka powder, he needs his and
Synthol
you
ka
get,
powder.
yeah, no, you get him something, no synthol, triangle shape ka absorb ka
Absorb,
powder.
yeah.
hai.
No,
Blue
oh,
wala.
sorry, my dad uses synthol.
Nothing else. He will not use it. He needs his Gillette ka roll on, which is not available in India. He'll source it.
Oh,
He'll score. He gets
Contacts
it.
hai.
Contacts hai, bro. He'll get it from either Crawford Market overpriced. He'll ask someone to bring it. He'll go overseas. He'll bring it himself. He'll ask my sister to do it. He'll ask anyone to do it. But he needs that, and it smells like, I smell that shit, and it smells like my dad. That is how my dad
Yeah.
smells. And then like you can't bring any change. Like if I
Yeah, you can't.
Tomorrow,
about it.
if I remove his fast sabun from the
His
washroom, like
daily path of his order of his like routine.
yes, like I don't think he's gonna like it very much.
Yeah.
And I think part of me is like, damn, that's so cute.
There's
Yeah.
some form of like comfort in knowing that your parents have these set
Specific
routines, because I cannot
things.
like
Yeah.
until I hear my dad going like while brushing,
Yeah.
and
Me.
like yeah, you Zia is our dad of the group. Like until I hear him like almost choking and like falling while
Yes.
brushing, like I will
Bitch.
I will not feel like I'm at home.
Yeah.
Like I need to feel that to
After
to hear
dad's
that.
brush, they always make
I'll
it a
not dare
point
to
that,
go to the basin.
huh?
I won't dare to go to the basin.
But they will make it a point that if it's a weekend, there is a good breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
my
And
dad.
if my dad doesn't cook, but he'll bring breakfast from
My dad
outside.
makes good breakfast.
So my dad is very enthused about like making food in the house. But he wants everything ready.
Like prepared and kept.
Everything
Yeah.
prepared and
He's a
kept.
head chef.
Yeah. And my mom is an irritated sous chef. Then she'll keep yelling at him because he put the masala ka chammach in the haldi ka
Yeah,
thing.
Oh,
Put the haldi ka
same.
chammach in the masala. He always does it. And he's like, hey, hut. Tu aayi mat. You don't come. And then there was this one time, he was like, today I'll make my dad makes the best burji ever.
I think all dads make the
Ever.
best burji.
Yeah, I think burji is a dad thing.
Paneer burji.
Paneer burji.
I think burji is a dad thing.
It is
Yeah.
definitely a
Yeah,
very
so then
big
he
dad
adds
thing.
at least this much oil to the burji,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah, same.
Like you
you have to
mix
remove the
it
oil.
and then you kind of take the burji. You can see the oil separating
America's
from
almost
the
on
burji.
its way.
Yeah. for sure.
Tough competition.
And then he will ask me also to come and whisk the eggs, but he won't let me pour it into the kadhai
There's an
also.
art to it. I agree with him.
He's like, you just do that thing, whisk it and keep it. I have to do everything else.
Yeah. So
You know,
whatever's on the gas, he does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As much as I love my dad and the food that he makes, like even if he has to make a simple omelette with not that many ingredients, what do you need for an omelette? Onion, tomato, mirchi,
You only need an egg for an
Egg.
omelette.
egg. But like sometimes my dad like,
Masala
puts all of
omelette.
this. Yeah, he will use the entire kitchen counter.
Hmm.
The onion peels will be here, the tomato cut will be there. It's a fucking mess. And my mom also appreciates, but she's like, the part that I don't appreciate is that I have to clean after. Like you will make great food, but
Yeah.
the fuck.
So
my
my
dad
mom
is always even if so my dad has this thing where he'll see Instagram reels and
Yeah.
हमारे group पे भेजेंगे saying
Yes.
ये बनाएंगे and this one time he saw gulab jamun mojito and he was very passionate. He's like, I want to make this.
Whoa.
And then
Gulab jamun mojito sounds like something.
gulab jamun nahi, sorry
ये वापस कार्डमम कर दिया इसने.
sorry what's kala jamun
मवाली भाई आता था ना रेडियो पे. गुलाब जामुन मोहितो.
jamun mojito sorry he loves to
Almost.
make jamun he wanted to make jamun mojito
I was
I'm sorry, are we
honestly,
gonna just look past that?
I need 2 minutes. Wait, that was too fucking funny.
Gulab
No,
jamun.
honestly,
Black
Black
no,
currant
I was
is, huh?
honestly interested in like, the concept of gulab jamun.
Yeah, even I was thinking
Like
her dad
boba.
is like, I was like, her dad is like damn
Big
cool,
boba.
yeah.
No, small.
no
Barbecue Nation wala.
But yeah,
Barbecue
I was like, her dad is damn cool, yeah.
Yeah.
My
He
dad
is
would be like, chee, gulab jamun or mojito, yuck.
That literally reminded me of Mawali bhai. Like the young ones won't know, but
Yeah,
like
yeah,
ये
yeah,
एक
yeah,
show
yeah.
आता था रेडियो पे.
हाँ
वो लास्ट में बोलता था कुछ भी.
चल गुलाब जामुन mojito
जलेबी चाउमीन
हाँ.
कुछ भी चल रहा था वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
Yeah.
and he was like चल ये भी make this on Sunday anything he wants to do something crazy Sunday is a day for it
Fair.
ठीक है and then he's like ये we'll make this I'll get jamun from the market then we'll make it the jamun has never come every week at least once he'll claim कि ये बार बनाएंगे still hasn't showed up in my
कितना
house
टाइम हुआ ये
I
बात
think it's
के?
high
बहुत
time.
भारी हुआ है।
I think it's high time you'll make gulab jamun mojito.
हाँ भाई exactly
Just change the recipe.
and then even if चल आ भी गया जामुन घर पे this man will only pour it
Pour it.
presentation is what his task is
Okay.
other than that
Oh.
everything हमको करना है
Cute.
I'm like
very
अरे
cute.
यार ये क्या बात है you want to make it you've seen the recipe
Yeah.
do it yourself now we'll be there to
Yeah,
help you but like at least start somewhere
Whenever my dad brings anything home, like that man needs validation. Huh?
Oh,
So one man that needs validation, he will literally look at
Yes.
you, will stare you up and down.
give me a reaction
Well, पाव भाजी खा रही हूँ मैं. पाव कैसा है? भाजी क्योंकि मम्मी ने बनाई है. पाव कैसा है क्योंकि मैंने लाया. पाव अच्छा लगा कि नहीं भाजी
भाड़ में गया
भाड़ में गई भाजी भाई. पाव कैसा है तू बता.
I think there's a different connection only with dads and food.
Yeah.
Dads are very passionate
Very
about
passionate
food.
about
and
food.
he's so happy that my dad and I, we share the same taste in food. We both of us like very heavy Mughlai food and a coke to go with it. My mom and Adi are not that
Sorry,
big
it's
of
kind
a
of-
fan.
God, oh. I've got flashbacks, bro.
Yeah,
The
no, like
first
a-
sip of thumbs up after you've
After
had
you-
naan and gravy.
Oh,
Really
something
hurry.
heavy. Ooh,
My God.
So my dad is like
We are such
very,
dads.
we
very
are.
enthu about food, bro. In general. So whenever he goes out with his friends, no, this is very sweet. He always, whenever he goes out with his friends, he knows I really like gulab jamun from this specific bar that he sits at his friends with. He will not drink. He'll make all his friends drink. He will just eat all of their chakna, finish all of their chakna, and
so
then
me.
get the chakna home for me because I like the pineapple and the cheese thing. And then he knows, yeah, there's this specific place that serves like pineapple and cheese as chakna.
It'll be good, yeah.
And then he
Sounds
gets
tasty.
those for me. He knows I like that place is gulab jam. He will always, and if I'm sleeping also, no, he'll wake me up and he's like, "Mom, gulab jam leke aaya." खा ले.
He'll al-
I'm just
yeah,
like,
they'll always like whenever they're out with their friends, whatever, kuch bhi hai, like they bring food home, bro.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And, like literally and figuratively, like
Yeah.
My
whatever
dad
you want
doesn't
to.
bring home food, he brings home mithai.
Okay.
So my dad and I were the biggest fans of mithai. Like if I'm at a wedding and if my parents have gone for a wedding or a function and I won't ask my mom ki kya khaya. If when my dad comes home, the first question I ask him mithai mein kya thi. And even if I don't ask him, I'll be like, mithai mein ye tha, ye tha, ye tha, मैंने ये इतना खाया, ये इतना खाया, ये इतना खाया, ये अच्छा था, ये ठीक था, XYZ. And
No.
if there's a mithai at home, my dad and I will always be the first two people to have it.
Yeah.
Like
you've
if
mentioned
we're not
this.
at home, डब्बा खोलेगा भी नहीं.
Yeah.
या तो मैं खोलूंगी या पापा खोलेंगे. And then we'll judge कि भाई कैसी थी मिठाई, अच्छी थी, बुरी थी,
Same.
whatever.
Now my dad has diabetes.
Same.
once I
But
told
no.
once
Why am I saying yeah?
once I told my dad that he accidentally, someone gave him a tawakkal malai barfi, malai khari, and he got it home and
Khoja.
then
Khaja.
Khaja.
khoja,
yeah.
yeah, and then I tried it and I fell in love.
Yeah, it's
And I
too
told
good.
him that I really liked it. He went and he got like 15 pieces,
Yeah,
bro.
you know? Very dad.
15 fucking pieces of this.
You like them?
Yeah. And then even in the office once, I tried that Lahori Jeera ka
Yeah.
thing. I told him this is very nice.
Yeah.
Next day, entire box in the house.
That's
Yeah,
a very
that's
dad
a thing
Like
that they
Yeah.
that's a very cute, but I also feel like moms deserve
Yeah,
an
yeah.
appreciation
Oh, definitely.
of their
Me
own
and my
because
mommy, we're like this.
why are you and your mom like
Bro,
the
I
peace
feel like
sign?
we are too similar to be like this.
Yes.
Oh.
I fear like I see my least favorite parts being literally in full form in her,
Dab me up.
and then I'm like,
Wow.
fuck, I'm scared.
Dab me up.
Oh, fair, yes,
yeah.
for
Like-
sure.
Yeah.
But so like the parts that when you get like really say anxious and you're like, fuck, I need to fix this, and then you see your mom and you're like, she's also an anxious mess, right? And then you're like, oh my god, will I be able to fix this? I don't know.
Fair.
I don't know.
I see exactly where you're coming from. So my mom
Yeah.
and I are similar in almost every single thing.
Hmm.
And sometimes we're just surprised of if we have an interaction and if things like if we don't agree to each other's opinions, we just know she's what I'm gonna say, I know what she's gonna say because we're
Correct.
so fucking similar.
Yeah.
It's
I know. I can hear it. When I say a sentence, I can hear her response
Yes.
before she
Yeah.
says
That's
it.
yes.
so weird because I thought I was exactly like my mom, but from this interaction, I feel like I am very different from my mom, and that's why we
Same.
get along.
Same.
Oh.
I feel like my mom is like the literal opposite of the kind of the person that I am
Same.
because I consider myself to be like a little extroverted as compared to her, of course.
Hmm.
But I don't know, even though we are like really, really like different people, there's some, of course, apart from the bond of like a mother and a daughter,
Yeah.
I feel very lucky that I can say that, you know, I'm really, really close to my mom.
You really are. I
Yeah.
know. I've seen it firsthand.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
really cute, Sanjana and her
A
mom.
mom's
I know.
relationship.
You know?
Yeah. I
She
love
always
it.
talks about like cuddling with her mom.
Yeah, if there's
Yeah.
anything that can heal me at the end of like a really bad day, is going into my corner of my bed and cuddling with my mom.
Aw.
And oh my god, like
Yeah.
my mom has told me this. She's like, whenever I'm having a bad day, I come to you and I hug you and I literally forget all my problems. And bro, that is, like whenever I am going through a bad day, I think of what she would say,
Yes.
and that just makes me feel so nice.
Yeah,
Aw.
That's
there's
me
so
with
many
my dad.
Yeah.
Yes, that's me with
That's
my dad.
me.
There's
with
so
my
many
dad.
times where Sanjana like is having a tough time. Like we're like trying to help her vent, whatever, as like friends do, and then she's like, "Guys, I just need to hug my mom. Like I just need
Yeah.
that."
I've started to say it at work to my employees. I'm like, guys, I just want to go to my mom right now.
You know,
Because
so
I really mean it.
Yeah.
Like, I actually mean
so
it.
Correct.
actually, when I was younger, I spent a lot of time with my mom because my dad used to be
Away
at
from
work.
Yeah.
And every single time I would go to school or I would go out for family gatherings, and for 2 minutes if I couldn't spot my mom, I used to start crying, bawling my eyes out, like, like, आई कुठे आई पाहिजे आई पाहिजे. So a lot of my relatives still tease me कि मम्मा चाहिए ना, जा जा मम्मा के पास जा. And like after Adi was born, I think for me, I felt like Adi is now going to be mom's favorite because I think what do you say, father and daughter relationship is, you know,
Yeah.
more
a lot, yeah.
a lot, and then a son and a mom's relationship is more like that. But now I feel like she hates Adi. She doesn't like him anymore, and now she likes
She
me
and the
more.
internet.
They don't hate Adi, they pity him, they hate me.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That's true. So, like with my 1 second, sorry, where was I? One second, ma'am. Yeah. Sorry. Like moms are damn cute in the sense that, you know, they will 100%, like, you give something to them, they are going to keep it. You give something to your dad, he might lose it. Right?
Yeah,
They're not as responsible.
Yeah.
But you give something like, dude, my mom has like this book and there's this flower inside it, okay? And she tells me that I was in KG, right? I don't remember this. She remembers this very vividly. She said that I said something to you in the morning and then we had a fight when I'm in KG. I'm like a child, right? Yeah. I'm like, mama. And I came home and I, you know that बार्ड वायर के अंदर एक फ्लावर का
Yes.
ये रहता
In a
था
school, yeah.
स्कूल में गार्डन के बाहर. मैंने वो बार्ड वायर के अंदर जाकर वो फूल लिया था एंड मैंने उनको दिया था अपेरेंटली, और वो उन्होंने अब तक रखा है.
That's so
वो एक बुक
cute.
के अंदर है एंड लाइक वही कार्ड्स जो भी है. एक बार पता है मुझे मॉम ने बोला मेरे कि एक तुम्हारा ऐसे था जो मेरी फर्स्ट या सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड की टीचर ने उनको बताया था. तो द ऐसे वाज ऑन माय मॉम, है ना? And me as like a kid who really does not know how to write essays, I had to write 4 lines. That was the essay
Yeah.
for me. Right?
Answer in
As
brief.
like, my mom is the best mom. She is brown in color. I'm not joking. I did this. And she still remembers that shit. She's brown in color. Like, what is she, a cow?
Yeah, I was about to say, but I didn't want to sound offensive. I was like, bitch, are you describing a cow?
But I was also a kid. Now, like, I could have been like, she is the sweetest person in the world.
yeah.
How to spell sweetest?
Arey shit.
Exactly.
Brown color spell करना सीख लिया था.
Brown color spell karna seek. So I wanted to write good things, but I couldn't probably. But yeah, she always tells me this, like, you wrote an essay about me and you just described me as
Yeah.
brown.
Yeah. But
I just recently came back from Singapore, right? And I had saved up like a bunch of amount because I was like, I have to get my parents something designer.
okay.
I was just hell bent that every single time my dad goes out, he gets me something. And every single time my mom goes out, she gets me something. So I was like hell bent on getting something designer for my parents.
Yes.
So I got my dad a Lacoste, like a, what do you call it, fanny pack thing.
Love.
Oh, nice.
That's such a
And-
dad thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got my mom like a Dior makeup kit. And
Wow, love.
So you can
with
steal
the-
it from her.
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
And with the Dior thing, they gave a lot of freebies, okay? They gave a lot of free perfume samples and everything. And she was more excited about the free perfume than the makeup.
Of course. I feel like
Obviously.
moms are very, they don't look at the main price, but
Yes.
the additional things that you get with it now, uska bhai.
They're like
Yeah.
That's the same thing that happens when you go to a hotel. First thing you go to is the bathroom. Take everything.
100%.
yes.
Take
100%.
everything. Go
Yeah.
to the next room also. And take
My
it.
mom exclusively wears hotel slippers.
Same. You know, I got her slippers from Singapore Airlines.
Yes. No, I see that.
Love.
No, I see that.
I was on a video call because it was the first time I was traveling first class, and then I was showing it to my parents, like this is how it looks and all. And then my mom, she was like, "You क्या है उधर साइड में चप्पल है क्या?" मैं बोला हाँ, like लेके आ.
Mom
and
and chappal, bro.
Dude, I have learned this from my mom to be so prepared for like a trip and pack the entire world before you go.
Yes. Oh
It's
my
not
God,
like you
yes.
don't have chappal, you don't have
Yeah.
soap, you don't have
Yeah.
shampoo.
My mom
But
takes the
we will
istri
take
ho.
that.
Istri.
Oh, why?
Yeah, the Chotu one. Yeah.
Yeah, we have a travel history at home.
Yeah,
What?
same.
Yes.
My parents recently came from Bali and it was like a week long trip, okay? And it was the first time that my parents left मेरा और मेरी बहन को घर पे अकेले.
Yeah.
ठीक है? And when they came back home, they were like, they came I think in the night. So we were unpacking in the morning with them. And like they were showing us, you know, ye laya. And the first thing that they opened from a very, like
Big-
from a big theli was just all the soaps, toiletries that they got.
Yeah.
And my dad has this thing where he will, बाकी सामान तेल लेने गया, जो भी अच्छा सामान लाया
तेल
है,
भी है तो भी ले लेना.
हाँ,
हाँ.
they like जो भी they got a lot of stuff for like to give everyone, like
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
all of
Very
that.
true.
Yeah.
वो सब साइड में.
Yes.
तू पहले देख मैं फ्री से उठा के क्या लाया. एंड ऐसा मतलब पूरे बेड पे लेटा देंगे. इवन इफ he's gotten like sugar sachets, coffee, tea, green tea, whatever, it's just like properly arranged. on
पैसा
the
भरा है तो
bed.
वसूलो.
Exactly.
You know, my
Yeah.
mom, whenever we go out for dinner, once we are done with the dinner, she will if they don't give toothpicks, she'll ask for toothpicks. Then she'll wrap them in a tissue paper and keep it in the purse, and then use it in the car, or
yeah,
like
that is so
randomly
there.
poke my dad out of nowhere.
One thing about she invented Facebook poking. One thing about parents, especially moms, is that they are thrifty. They are thrifty and how? My mother, I am telling you, कोई अगर बॉक्स होगा जो उनको अच्छा लगा, थोड़ा स्टर्डी सा है, वो रखेगी. Bro, वो टिश्यू
For
पेपर
years.
लेती है.
For years it will be kept.
She will take tissue papers, right? Then this is, I find this very cute about her. And like pattern होते हैं वो टिश्यू पेपर पे, ऐसा मिलता है मार्केट में. वो ग्लू लेगी, ग्लू पानी का मिश्रण बनाकर वो अच्छा मतलब डेकोरेट करेगी. पेपर मिशे. एंड देयर इज लाइक लिटिल DIY crafts that you'll find in my house.
Oh,
That
wow.
उन्होंने खुद से बनाया
That's
है.
really
वो
nice.
कुछ भी डेकोर होगा या फिर टिश्यू पेपर के ऐसे बॉक्स रखेंगे तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना. तो वो बॉक्स हम टिश्यू पेपर
Decorated.
डालते हैं
Wow.
उसमें.
But I feel
Oh.
like you said, like when you go out,
Yeah.
you know, to a restaurant or something, and you specifically order for like toothpicks or something.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys do this, but at least in my house, going out and ordering from out is just meant for special occasions.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like it's not a oh, you know what, we feel like going out, let's go out today.
Yeah.
And whenever
it's
you
giving Kenny Sebastian.
For us, it's like
No,
that.
and whenever you go out, it's the same set of things. You'll order
Yeah.
crispy chicken,
Yes.
paneer tikka for you, and you'll order like the same. And it slaps at every restaurant you go to.
Every, yeah.
Like you'll not dare to
You want-
experiment with.
I
you
am
want-
the one who wants to experiment in
same,
my family.
same. I will be
Yeah.
like, oh, let's try this, and my
Yeah.
dad will be like, why
Same.
do you want to try it?
Same.
So this,
Stick to this.
Same.
It was my mom's birthday in the month of November, and we went to this restaurant in Matunga. Okay, it was the first time we were going there. It recently opened, and it had like a very vast cuisine. And at the end, I
Crazy.
tried to convince my mom, "Ki bhai, mama, we order one dish. You know, let's just try something new."
क्या था?
I think I asked them if they wanted like a pizza or something, and my mom.
Oh my
No,
god.
My
Crazy.
mom loves the desi pizza, the mota
Huh.
crust with tomato, shimla
Oh my
mirch,
God,
gobi,
Yeah,
or
bro.
cheese on
Badshah
top.
type.
Like
yes,
the homemade
Badshah
pizza.
Badshah,
pizza.
Sukh Sagar, that's the pizza she loves. She doesn't like the
Yeah.
patla
Thick
crust with like
cheese.
hardly any toppings on top.
Yeah.
The real pizza from Italy.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
fuck
authentic
that shit.
one.
I
Fuck
want Indian stuff only.
Yeah.
And my mom
Chinese
was,
भी मंगाओ तो Indian Chinese.
Indian Chinese, भाई.
Italian हमने better
हाँ.
बनाया है. Chinese हमने better बनाया है.
हमने better बनाया है.
हाँ.
सुशी हमारे रास्ते पर मिलती है. मिलती है भाई.
महावीर
वो
नगर.
महावीर नगर.
Mahavir Nagar has everything. Has
कोरियन
everything.
भी हमने बेटर बनाया है भाई.
हाँ,
What not?
उसमें 3x स्पाइसी में भी हम लोग अपना घर का मसाला
डालेंगे.
डालते हैं.
Maggi masala.
Yeah, yeah.
मैगी मसाला.
But yeah.
And then I was like hell bent on like you know convincing my mom कि mama we'll order one thing, if you don't want to eat दीदी और मैं तो है ही खाने के लिए.
हाँ.
But they just did not budge.
Wow.
She's like हम जो पनीर चिली, एक सब्जी, रोटी, दाल,
दाल, चावल.
rice, whatever, we're only gonna stick to that and that only. And
Yeah.
for some reason, no matter how many times you eat that same, like Sanjana said, it always has to slap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
You
like a
can't-
new experience every time.
You
Yeah.
cannot go wrong with a restaurant that serves Mughlai and Chinese.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah. They
Like
just
for
know
us-
their shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
चिली चिकन
Crispy
फिर
chicken.
क्रिस्पी नहीं चिली चिकन मंगाए तो क्रिस्पी चिकन
Oh
नहीं.
yeah.
हाँ,
Of course.
हाँ,
How
चिकन
dare I
मंगाए तो
say
चिली
that?
चिकन नहीं.
Sorry.
Allowed नहीं है.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद अगर चिकन टिक्का तो कंपलसरी है भाई. कंपलसरी है. फिर बिरयानी.
Pot rice.
नहीं
Because
for
उसमें
us-
gravy
my mom is a
rice
biryani
साथ में
girl.
आता है.
for
Oh
us it's
yes, I
बिरयानी.
see that.
पुलाव बोलते हैं उसको क्या? पुलाव.
ये ले, दोनों ले,
ये बस इधर
ओ भाई भाई
ले,
भाई वापस
ले लेके रख.
तो बिरयानी और उसके साथ में फिर एंड में जो भी कस्टर्ड,
Oh, y'all
वेनिला
have y'all
आइसक्रीम,
have dessert
वेनिला
in the
आइसक्रीम,
restaurant.
गुलाब जाम.
हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं होता.
हमारे यहाँ पे होता है
हम आइसक्रीम
Yeah,
लेके
yeah,
आए सारे
ice-cream
साथ में बैठ के
एंड
खाएंगे.
बेवरेज
Beverage yes.
No.
आइसक्रीम
Ice-cream outside.
हाँ बाहर लेकर घर जाएंगे.
no outside also sometimes happens but better to order there
माय
only.
डैड विल बी लाइक, उसको वेटर को बोलेगा गुलाब जाम जितना गर्म हो सके उतना गर्म
सिर्फ
तवे
गुलाब
चाहिए.
सृष्टि से
Direct.
गुलाब जामुन.
जाम
तूने
गुलाब
2 बार
जामुन.
गुलाब जाम बोल के छोड़
बोलते
दिया.
हैं उसको
गुलाब
गुलाब जाम
जाम.
बोलते हैं
Really?
हाँ तो हम लोग एक रेस्टोरेंट हम लोग एक रेस्टोरेंट में
Sorry.
so you know how dads they can't take names properly of anything right हाँ
भाई तुम्हारे नाम नहीं जानता.
Yeah.
हाँ so they can never say names properly है ना
Yeah.
so my papa who's not my dad he's my बड़े पप्पा उनको तो कभी कोई डिश का नाम सही से वो बोलते नहीं है. हाँ हम फाइव स्पाइस जाते थे पहले और फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैड ट्राइड 2 desserts डेथ बाय चॉकलेट
Same.
एंड रॉकी रोड.
हाँ.
Oh,
ठीक
I
है.
thought okay.
We loved the Rocky Road.
Yeah.
We to this day order the Rocky
Yeah,
Road
yeah, yeah.
at 5 Spice.
इवन
Yes.
माय फैमिली इज अ फैन.
Yeah. Second time गए तो वो ऑर्डर लेने आया डिजर्ट का एंड पप्पा इज लाइक वो डेड बॉडी रॉक्स लाना. नो आज तक हम उसको डेड बॉडी रॉक्स बुलाते हैं बिकॉज डेथ बाय चॉकलेट एंड रॉकी रोड मेक्स डेड बॉडी रॉक्स. Yeah.
Bro, my dad, so he can't say like these specific words, okay?
हाँ.
And you can't convince him. You just can't.
Yeah.
My dad recently had his gallbladder removed. To this day, he says
Dead
glad-
body rocks.
Shut up.
To this day, he says glad border.
Cute, yeah.
पुलिस स्टेशन आज तक मेरे डैड ने लाइफ में पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं बोला. ही ऑलवेज सेज पोलिटेशन.
Love यार.
पोलिटेशन. और इफ ही वांट्स टू से साइड को हो, मतलब मराठी में हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, साइडला हो जरा. He's like साइडला साइडला जा. It's too cute, यार.
Love that. Yeah,
Cute.
it's damn
Yeah,
cute.
bro.
I feel like
They don't complete only
they
the
enjoy
sentence.
saying the wrong word so that they get
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
laughs out of
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
they like that little.
That's a
My dad
that's-
will never call you Srishti. You are Srishti.
Oh my God,
Srishti, right?
Srishti or Shruti.
Shruti. Yes.
Shruti.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm like,
yeah.
Papa, it's Srushti.
She's Ritika.
Oh,
Ritika.
Fuck off. Why is my dad saying the same thing?
We have the same dad. Quentin Apu. That's
your dad's
crazy.
secret.
तुम लोग मेले में मिले थे क्या?
Mahim Kamil. Yeah, damn.
Dad.
That is
Dads.
dads and
Parents,
moms and parents.
Parents.
We love them.
But I have this theory. I think all parents have a favorite child.
100%.
All of them. How much ever they deny, they have a favorite child.
Yeah.
I don't believe that.
I don't believe that either.
See, it changes for my parents. Whoever's
Yeah.
like giving them the most. Right now, I'm like the least favorite. I'm the problem child. And then, like, at times, like, my sister, actually, no, that's wrong. Because she listens to them. And I want to reason.
So
I'll reason, bro. I won't fight.
Yes.
I believe,
According to me.
I believe that how my parents view it is that they will have like crazy fights with us, but it, I have never felt that, you know, oh, my
Yeah.
brother is a favorite or I am a favorite.
Me neither.
Dale and I might have favorite parents, but I don't
Oh,
think
yeah.
this is like
There
the
is
other way
always
around.
a favorite parent, I would say.
But see, again, I don't think like
Hmm.
I don't have that.
Yeah.
But
I love
yeah.
when, you know, parents, to convince them, you go to the specific parent, that's your favorite parent.
Yeah.
To convince them to go out. First of all, the investigation
Oh
that
my
unfolds when I'm asked where I'm going is something of another nature.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
why do I have to like plan it 10 business days in advance
Yes.
and then
Yes.
make up an entire reason as
Bro,
to
it's
why
like
I have to
and
do
It's
this?
like
And
a
again-
dissertation
Yeah,
project.
and then why
Yes.
have I to
Yeah.
prove that I'm not going to do something bad shit crazy,
Yeah.
which is going to end up in me dying? Like, listen, brother, I'm going to
I
be alive. You're going
Yeah.
to see my face the next day.
You will.
Like, calm down.
100%.
Like,
And
just calm down.
I don't get this Indian parent logic that आज बाहर गए कल बाहर नहीं जा सकते.
Yeah.
भाई ये
Oh,
क्या
bro,
है?
1 minute.
ये क्या है?
Indian parents' logic is another field to be studied.
Yeah.
And then-
for sure.
तुमने सुबह परमिशन मांगी है भाई तुम तैयार हो रहे हो और तुमने घर से बाहर कदम रखना ही है. कहाँ जा रही है?
एकदम
why
वक्त
is it
बदल
that
दिए
when you're
पहले
doing
बात
your
बदल दिए.
eyeliner, they come to you and they ask
Yes.
कहाँ जाना है?
This happened today in the morning. No, yesterday. No. Our first shoot
हुआ
day.
होगा, मानती हूँ.
First shoot day.
Yeah.
तेरे को शूट पे जाना है क्या?
हाँ.
I'm like, why?
और फिर
I told you in the
बोली-
morning.
Yeah.
और सुबह भी कैसे मांग ली भाई परमिशन. ये तो वो भी अलाउ कर दिया. मुझे 4 दिन पहले बोलना पड़ता है. फिर वो 4 दिन पहले का वो लोग भूल जाते हैं
हाँ,
कन्वीनियंटली.
Yeah.
very
फिर
convenient.
वो दिन पे वापस याद दिलाना पड़ता है. अरे मैंने बोला था 4
और
दिन
आपने
पहले.
हाँ बोला था.
फिर गैसलाइट करते हैं वो लोग. हमने तो
मुझे
बोला ही नहीं.
जानना है
हमको तो
कि
पूछा ही
वो
नहीं.
लोग पर्पसली करते हैं या फिर क्यों?
फॉर श्योर पर्पसली.
मुझे पेरेंट बन के जानना है
For
क्योंकि
sure.
देख अगर सारे पेरेंट्स
if?
कर रहे हैं ना तो
Give it-
मतलब
give it
इनका
20 years.
ग्रुप है
हाँ
जहाँ पर ये सब रूल्स डिस्कस होते हैं.
हाँ भाई.
एक पेरेंट करता हो तो मानते हैं कि चल ठीक है one might be
Yeah,
forgetful like
no,
one
yeah.
step
You know
could
how-
be forgetful.
How my parents look at it is that, oh, if 3 of your parents are saying yes, हम लोग भी हाँ बोल देते हैं.
हाँ.
So that's why sometimes
peer
you have to
pressure
lie,
में
being
आते
like,
हैं.
oh, Zia's parents. What do you think I did yesterday? Oh shit, shouldn't have said that.
they won't know when this is going up.
Oops. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What happened yesterday was I told my parents like nicely. I was like, should I say this? I was like nicely being like, Srushti is going, yaar. Like the way I've played this, overplayed this card. Srushti is
I'm
going.
always going.
You're
Don't
always
you
going.
just
Srushti has been going since 6 months.
going.
Srushti is going. Like she's gonna go. She's not gonna come back for a while. Like, can we stay over? And then my dad's like, who all are going? The usual. The 4 of us are gonna be together.
Who
And
do
then
you
my
think I'm
dad.
married to,
Yeah.
Pookie? Who do you think
And
I'm
then my dad's
married to?
Okay, fine. Now go. What will I say?
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
that is what I was also going to do, but it didn't end up like that. I was
Yeah.
gonna say सब जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So हम चारों यही बोलते हैं. सब
हाँ.
स्पेसिफिकली बोलते हैं कि चारों आ रहे हैं और
Hmm.
चारों को वैसे मिल जाती है.
Yeah,
हाँ.
and I say, oh, how are you coming back home? The 4 of us
Also
are coming
about-
together
Yeah,
only.
because our parents trust each other blindly.
Yeah.
So they
Yeah,
let
for
us go
sure.
anywhere
Yeah.
and everywhere.
But what I like about us in specific is like we don't like misuse that a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh,
we are
of course not.
responsible with
We're
it.
responsible with it. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna do something stupid and
then
take your name. I'm gonna take
Yeah.
some other friend's name. If I'm
Yeah,
going to
yeah,
do
yeah.
something stupid, this is not the group that I'm putting under the bus.
True.
Whoever's watching this later will know.
Whoever's watching the edit will know.
Yeah, take their name.
So my parents, I don't get this thing about them. Okay, they won't allow me to come home late after 1 or come home late after 12:30 also at times.
Uh-huh.
But they are okay with me going abroad to study.
That is true.
They would never allow me to go to Lonavala for an overnight. They would
Yes.
never allow me to go to Goa. But
Yeah.
they're okay with me going to Singapore.
Yeah.
Not even overnight. Like my parents are fine if I'm going at 5 or 6 in the morning, early morning somewhere.
Same.
मतलब ये क्या logic है?
Same.
Yeah, certain parties are still going on at that time. So I will go party then.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
you
it's-
don't mind. You have a
it's-
problem with me coming home at 12.
Yeah.
But then 5 बजे if I have to go somewhere, हाँ जाना. Good, nice. सुबह उठ के जा रही है, शाबाश.
Discipline
Yeah.
हो रहा है भाई.
मेरे घर पे 4 भी चलता है.
4
भी
सुबह
चलता
4
है.
बजे. बाप
हाँ.
रे. मैं तो सोती हूँ तभी.
हाँ, नहीं.
My
Party
dad
के
does
बाद.
not like it. My dad hates the fact that I do that. But
Same.
नहीं आती नींद तो नहीं आती.
But
है.
my dad also does the same thing, so he can't say anything to me.
But you know, parents, one thing about them is like technology तो they know very little.
No.
इसीलिए
My dad asks me
I'm
like
being
a cute,
sarcastic.
like one cute puppy, he'll come all helpless to me. He's like, how do you
Say.
send this WhatsApp message?
Same.
And I'm like,
forward नहीं हो रहा है.
yeah,
Same.
my
Change
dad,
the color of the button.
bro, my dad literally, I'm not even kidding. Like day before, he was like, this is going as a file. First, I has to send all my good morning messages to come. I have to see the image. Now I can't see why. And I was like, you must have hit some other button. I didn't know.
Yeah.
And then he's like, show me, no? And his specs are here.
Yeah.
Show me, no? Okay. I was doing this only.
Yeah.
Why it's not happening?
You know, my mom gets mad if her phone auto updates And then she's like,
Oh.
why did you update it? I'm like,
Yes.
speak to Steve Jobs. I didn't do shit.
You know, my mom recently joined Instagram. Okay, it's been like
Welcome, auntie.
8-9 months, or I think a year maybe. I think more than a year. So then she recently joined Instagram. She came to me. She asked me how to post stories and all. I taught her everything.
Wow.
Then even before
And
leaving,
her Instagram's great, guys. Like, I've seen it firsthand.
You follow
It's-
auntie?
No, I don't
She
follow,
showed
but
it.
She showed it. Na?
Auntie,
She
Couple
showed it.
reels.
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Auntie, don't forget to comment on our reels. That's something
Yeah.
nice.
yeah.
love that.
Before leaving to Singapore, also I taught her everything. Like, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. And then once I'm like in the middle of the lecture, and my mom is like, "Why haven't you accepted my request?" I'm like, "Mama, my account is open." And she's like, "नहीं, दूसरा वाला अकाउंट." मैं कौन सा? जिसपे वो माइक वाला फोटो है. I'm like, मम्मा ने मेरे स्पैम पे रिक्वेस्ट भेज दिया भाई.
No, that is
And then I was like, अरे वो कुछ नहीं, वो तो बस मेरे को मेन पे जो फोटोज डालने होते हैं वो मैं पहले इस पे ट्राई करती हूँ और फिर मेन पे डालती हूँ. बाकी कुछ नहीं है उसमें, ऐसा कोई नहीं है
No,
उसमें.
my parents know I do there. But my
Oh.
bio is Allah Mia ki gaye. Yes. So, like, it's very misleading.
My mom has sent me a request on my spam account like months ago, and I just told her that, oh, I don't know, I just never saw it. She's like, yeah, how like that?
How like that?
Dude, my
That-
my dad makes fucking robots and shit.
Huh.
This man, it's the most basic Instagram feature of, you know, how you wanna
Save a reel.
use the filter.
Oh.
The swipe thing. So he was
Rio de Janeiro.
no, the filters, the whatever.
Oh, yeah.
Filter,
Oh,
not
okay, okay,
picture
okay.
के बाद.
हाँ,
Story के लिए
हाँ,
filter.
हाँ,
Yeah, yeah.
And I randomly record my dad with like the bow filter and everything. He's like, yeah, मुझे भी चाहिए. I'm like, go to Instagram, do the story thing, and you'll find filters.
Yeah.
He's like, पता ना कैसे करते हैं. You made a
कितनी
robot.
बार you made a robot.
You can't figure this
Might
out.
as well
The
make a
movie,
filter.
the blockbuster movie Robot was made by Jyotika's dad. Yeah, so parents, yeah, they are shit at technology at
Yeah.
times, and that leads them, for some fucking reason, to always be scammed. Every single time. Why are only parents being scammed? What is this scholar ID list that is
No.
being given to scammers? That, you know, only I've never, like, you, how many spam
Are
calls
so-
do you get?
Arey, so
Not
I'll-
many.
I
I'll
get
tell
a
you
lot.
guys this one
And-
thing, okay?
Yeah.
Once, so my dad is very, he knows that if I get calls, they ask me to transfer money and I'm not going to do it because
Yeah,
he hangs
yeah.
out with,
You always say, they always say that.
he hangs out with the people from cybercrime and everything. So he knows all of that.
What goes in?
Then one day he told me that, "Arey, this website I've ordered a bunch of clothes from, and अब तक मुझे शर्ट ही नहीं भेजे ये लोग ने." And then I go and ask him, "How much did you spend on this website?" He's like, "पता नहीं." I'm like, "Papa, how much did you spend on this website?" He's like, "Okay, कुछ 17-18 हजार." I'm like, "अरे यार." And then I go and check that website. It's a fake website.
Yeah, and the irony is,
And he found it on Facebook.
oh,
Bitch,
listen, no, the irony is, he will send WhatsApp messages. Don't get scammed, and he will buy from Facebook.
They get,
Where is this Facebook website? Where is the store? I don't know anything. You are giving personal information like your number, your
Email,
address,
Gmail.
अरे भाई, काय चाललंय काय?
no, they get so they will always say, अरे ऐसा है, मैं किसी को जानता हूँ, उसको ऐसा कॉल आया, इसका ऐसा स्कैम हुआ वगैरह वगैरह.
हाँ,
They're very aware.
Exactly. Theory knowledge.
Yeah.
Any time they are faced with a situation like this, they panic like anything.
Yes.
They will they will be like, ये क्या हुआ, ये किसी का तो फोन आया, बैंक अकाउंट मांग रहा है,
क्यों देना है?
अब वो एक्सिस बैंक से आया, आपका अकाउंट है
है
वहाँ
भी
पे,
नहीं.
है ना? तो अगर आपने कुछ मांगा है उनसे, तो वो लोग मांगेंगे आपसे वापस.
Yeah. So my mom recently got scammed. So she saw like
Really?
yeah. So
How?
I don't know if it was a Facebook or an Instagram page, but she saw this dress and she really liked it and it was pretty cheap. She's like, it's fine. I mean, यहाँ वहाँ पहनने के लिए काम आ जाएगा. So she ordered. It was cash on delivery. So one thing
Yeah,
in my
yeah.
family rule is, कुछ भी order करो ना COD करो. Online payment मत करो. ठीक है, दैट्स द स्टेपल रूल मेरे घर में.
Smart.
कुछ
Yeah.
भी लाने का
That's safer.
महंगा से महंगा, सस्ता से सस्ता
Yeah.
COD करो.
But they give like a charge, like if it's COD.
चलेगा.
Better than your entire bank
No.
account getting flushed out.
Even,
Chalega.
yeah, even
But
I'm
like no
happy.
online payment at all. And my mom had gone out for some work, and I had to leave for shoot only, so I was already in a hurry. And that's when the parcel came, and mama was like, parcel gonna come, तो तू collect करके cash दे दियो. And I was like, हाँ ठीक है. And I was about to leave, तभी आया. तो मैंने I collected the thing and I gave the money, and then uncle went. And then mama came home, and then she opened the dress and she's like, भाई मैंने ये तो order करी नहीं थी. And it was like a 500 rupee dress. It wasn't that big of an amount.
Elaborate.
But and then mama asked dad कि भाई इनको मेल करो, मुझे गलत ड्रेस मिला है, वो ड्रेस मुझे अच्छा लगा था यार, वो चाहिए था मुझे. एंड यू नो मेल देम, कॉल देम. भाई हमने सबके नंबरों से कॉल लगाए, उनको उठा ही नहीं रहा है कॉल, और तब से मेरी माँ को डर बैठ गया.
But like
हाँ.
पोछा जैसे यूज नहीं किया फिर बाद में.
भाई it's fucking bad.
What
like-
color is it?
But like clothes,
You don't.
I didn't even see it.
Oh,
It's somewhere inside the cupboard ताकि मम्मी को याद ना आए बार बार.
My dad,
मैं
yeah,
देखूंगी तो
yeah,
मैं
yeah.
रो दूंगी.
But like pocha, clothes, good or bad, being used as pocha.
I think that's what.
होली के बाद वाले कपड़े अगर नेक्स्ट दिन पोछा नहीं बना तो फिर तुम इंडियन
That
नहीं हो.
bro,
हाँ
and
भाई.
like see, one thing is your nice clothes, nice outside going clothes, will then slowly transition to home clothes.
Home clothes.
Yeah.
Which will then have one hole here, one hole here.
Yeah.
Okay. After the hole has become bigger, then it becomes pocha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
This
why
is
did
like
that
fresh
happen?
pocha for her. It might, by who knows.
I can't
नए
believe in
घर पे
other
जाएंगे?
cultures this is not the norm.
Yeah,
But
no.
it's so
In other cultures this is not the norm.
Yeah.
it's so logical though. Like why wouldn't
Makes
you?
sense.
Why wouldn't
You know,
You know?
my dad hates me because I taught my mom online shopping. He hates me absolutely. Every single day, I'm getting new Gmail notifications because I have my mom's and my dad's Gmail account. I get new notifications every single day. Your Amazon order is going to arrive. This. And I'm
Yeah.
seeing that they are all like small stuff. She'll get like
Yeah,
cute
yeah,
salt
yeah.
shakers. She'll get like
yeah.
carpet for the kitchen.
Yeah, moms are
And
cute like
my
that.
mom's
Random
damn
things
excited.
she'll Amazon, and then she'll call people at home. She'll show it to them, and then she'll be like, guess कर कितने में लाया? And then she like, ये बस 250 का है. Amazon पे डील चल रही थी, मैंने ऑर्डर किया. I was
Definitely,
like,
bro. Even my mom, घर बनेगा ना नया. My mom she doesn't care about the house being ready. She's like, मेरे को and बड़ा चीजें ठीक है पापा देख लेंगे. She
हाँ.
wants the small
small
corners
cute
of the
things.
house
Yes,
to
yes.
be
Also
decorated.
Be
with
homely.
What the vision that she has in her
Yeah,
mind.
yeah,
And she's just damn excited for it. मतलब अभी से स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखे, लिंक्स के, इंस्टाग्राम
Same,
पेजेस
yeah,
के,
same.
फेसबुक स्कैम हो गया. But
Facebook.
Facebook is Facebook.
Yeah.
Loyalty.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
भाई.
it's
उसपे
so
compromise
scared.
नहीं.
वो
Yeah.
दिन मुझे मेरी चाची शुरू ने मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे एक देखा, कोई अचार का ऐड था. She was like so worried to like order it on her own. She's like, ये देखो, इसको COD पे ये ऑर्डर करो, पहले देखो सही है या नहीं. So I looked at it had like some 15k followers. I was like pretty genuine.
Yeah.
एक bottle order करके देख सकते हैं. And they liked it so much. Now I have to like place a big order for it.
Yeah.
But COD.
COD.
But COD.
But
Yeah.
COD.
But
So I have one question for you all.
Hmm.
What do you think is one thing that's very, very specific to Indian parents and Indian families?
okay. So for me personally, I think it doesn't matter how rich, poor, wealthy, comfortable your parents have grown up, they have grown up worse than you.
And they will
100%
Somehow, yes.
They will prove it to you. They will make it a
Yes,
point that you
somehow.
know.
Yes,
you
yes,
you
yes,
know
yes,
that they've
yes.
struggled more than you and
वो
that you
सात
have it
समुंदर-
so good.
That
सात समुंदर
struggle
पार किया है.
was real.
Yeah, they're very Ananya Pandey coded like
Yeah,
that.
Yeah.
Srush
For
was
my
very-
family, there are these two very specific things.
Hmm.
घर पे अगर कुछ आ रहा है, थैली में आ रहा है,
Hmm.
थैली कचरे के डब्बे में नहीं जाएगी.
जाएगी. Yes.
थैली फोल्ड होके जाएगी एक ड्रॉअर में.
Yes.
नहीं मेरे घर पे एक थैली है, बड़ा थैली.
बड़ा थैली
फिर
उसके
एक छोटी
अंदर
थैली.
उसके अंदर मीडियम साइज
Theliception.
फिर स्मॉल.
और फैंसी थैली के लिए मेरे पापा के कबोर्ड में अलग सेक्शन है.
Yes, and
Yeah.
then
गुड स्टडी थैली जिसमें
Yes.
हेवी सामान जाएगा वो
Why am
सिर्फ
I so passionate about
मम्मी
this?
और पापा यूज करेंगे.
You ever
दीदी
made
और
थैली
मेरा
का
हक ही नहीं है
समोसा?
उस पे.
You've ever made theli ka samosa?
थैली का
So
Oh,
you fold
oh.
it
Yeah.
and then you make it into like a samosa, so it takes like this much space only.
No.
And then you put that into bags.
Dude, come
Yeah.
home. teach my parents. They will love you.
No, but it's
and the
this is
second
a
thing
hack
is
to have theli of all sizes for
yeah,
all
yeah,
occasions.
yeah. And the second
Prepared.
thing is कहीं पे भी निकलने से नीचे भी जा रहे हो तुम लोग 2 मिनट के लिए गाड़ी से कुछ सामान लाने फिर भी नीचे भी जा रहे हो घर पे सुसु किया है कि नहीं
Oh,
पूछेंगे
yes.
बाहर जा रहे सुसु करके निकले
Yes, that is before sleeping.
सुसु किया
I am 21 years old. My dad still asks me, "Did you make susu before coming to sleep?"
That's my nani.
अरे भाई,
My
Privacy?
nanny, मेरा नानी का घर थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो and the room that we usually sleep in is a little further away from their room.
Yeah.
So every night she sleeps at 9:30 every day. She'll walk from her room, come to our room and ask my mom also. सुसु क्या ना? सुसु करके सोना. हम तीनों को पूछेंगे भाई every single day.
क्या ऑब्सेशन है भाई
अलग है
पेरेंट्स को
भाई,
सुसु
yeah.
में।
Parents
अलग
love
है।
susu.
इतना
Make-
सुसु लाते कहाँ से
लाते
हो?
कहाँ से हो तुम? ये तालाब तुमने भरा है?
yeah, what's for you?
For me, I think to blame your child's every single life problem on the phone.
Oh my god
बीमार हो गई? फोन मत देख।
फोन
सरदर्द तो भाई लेकर ही नहीं जा सकती मैं अपने माँ के
आँख
पास.
जल रहा है? फोन मत देख। पीरियड क्रैम्प्स? फोन मत देख।
उससे और सर दर्द हो रहा है मुझे.
I'm sorry but this is really
सुसु आई है.
funny thing
कर नहीं बैठी. सब पता चल रहा है.
This is really very funny thing that my mom said to me when I was on my periods. I was on my periods, I was going to the gym. My mom was like, ये सब मत कर.
Periods की gym.
She was like, periods के time पे gym मत कर.
आगे?
यही था.
Periods के time पे gym
यार।
हग्गू कर दिया अभी.
नहीं, actually,
Hug-
Potty कर
it
दिया.
is kind of controversial.
Say it.
बोला.
I think I know where you're coming because I've had that too.
Yeah, so I was doing cardio and everything, and I was telling her that after, so she knows like routine में फिर घर आके sometimes I do skipping. I was doing skipping, and then she was like ये सब मत कर गिर जाएगा सब नीचे.
That's not controversial.
That's funny.
Because that's so true. गिर गया तो साफ कौन करेगा?
भाई.
Your pajama from 3 years ago. We'll clean it.
Ritika's mom's pocha.
That's secret.
Okay, but I also feel something that's very, like, I don't know if it happens outside of India,
हाँ.
but taking a picture of the birthday cake before it's being cut and taking a picture of you feeding.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure if I like search hard in my gallery
Yeah.
or my mom's gallery, that's where the pictures will be stored. I will find from like
Yes.
dated back to 7 years at least.
Yeah.
And it's like,
What do you do with those pictures?
yeah, it's like that. Like
Yeah.
you're feeding, खा मत.
They're eating.
Yeah.
केक लेना, बाइट ले मत ले, मेरे को फोटो दे. That's
Yes,
the motive.
True.
Yeah.
But what is made of these photos is my question. ये आगे बढ़ के
My mom
But-
doesn't even put it
No,
on
no.
status or anything. So I'm like, bro, what
It's
the
stored
fuck?
on my
No, my
computer.
mom puts. My
सब
mom
अरे
puts
bro,
it on
best
my
is looking at your mom's phone and the status is on her phone.
Of her like
Dude,
contacts.
Of her con.
भाई
oh,
क्या टी मिलता है
Yeah.
क्या टी मिलता है
Every once in a while मैं मम्मी का फोन लेके बैठ जाती हूँ.
कोई कोई relatives मेरे
Same.
मुझे तो दिखते हैं मतलब कोई भी फंक्शन में पर वो डिप्रेस बैठे हैं और मुझे कैसे पता है
मम्मी का
मैंने
phone.
status देखा
Right. I saw this reel where this one girl was saying घर में सबके फोन पे लॉक है, सबका अपना अपना फोन है, सिर्फ मम्मी
मम्मी
का
का
फोन
phone-
यूनिवर्सल है.
मम्मी
हाँ.
का phone सबका phone।
कभी भी यूज करने का है तुम यूज करो, तुमको
Yeah.
ले जाना है ले जाओ,
मुझे
मम्मी
तो-
को फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा.
मुझे
हाँ।
मम्मी ने जीपे
सार्वजनिक
कोड बता
phone।
दिया पता है
क्या?
मुझे मेरी मम्मी का जीपे कोड पता है
Same.
मुझे मेरे पापा का भी
मैं
पता
तो
है
मिसयूज करती हूँ
मैंने तो एक बार मैंने और आदि ने रात में खाना मंगाया था हमको भूख लगी थी तो मम्मी ने हमको स्ट्रिक्टली बोला था मेरे जीपे से मंगाया ना तो मार दूंगी दोनों को तो फिर हमने बोला कि अब तो इसके ही फोन से मंगाएंगे
Guts.
फिर मम्मी के फोन से मंगाया और उसके बाद हमने जो मम्मा कैसे जीपे का ट्रांजैक्शन हिस्ट्री चेक नहीं करती वो मैसेजेस चेक करती है बैंक से
Yeah.
डेबिट वाले तो हमने वो मैसेज डिलीट कर दिया
nice what will happen if she finds out if auntie finds out
हाँ हो गया खा लिया.
Dead body rocks. So
Chalo.
I think that's a good
It's
way
a good way to
wrap it
this
up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
एक साथ बोल रहे हैं हम. Wow.
We are on a roll, yeah. We are on dead body.
We're
Rocks.
Dead body rocks.
This is so cute.
Yeah,
How
we
about,
loved it.
like, if you've watched up until this point, you send us an ice cream emoji.
Or a family emoji.
There's a family emoji?
Yeah.
Okay, fuck the ice cream emoji then.
Yeah.
I did
Family
not know
emoji.
Oh yeah, wait. And now I can think of it. Sorry.
Yeah.
A family emoji would be great.
Will
So
be
a
great.
family emoji and like comment a bunch of them. And since you're on YouTube right now, if you're on YouTube right now, why don't you just go ahead, like, share, subscribe, share this video with your parents, put it on your family group, put it on your extended family group, let everyone know that they're like this, and comment down below how your families are along with your family
Emoji.
Emojis.
And
Yes.
if you're listening to us on Spotify, please follow us on there and give us a good rating. Okay, 5 stars is all we need. So do it, please.
Yes. And for those of you who haven't followed us on Instagram, what are you guys doing? Come on. It's at We Are Besharam. So go hop on there right now and give us a follow.
If you guys find the reels are kind of relatable to your family members, please send it to them, tag them.
Yeah.
Once in a while, even you can send it to them on your WhatsApp group as well.
Yes.
Once in a while, sending reels to parents is cute
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
very
My
cute.
mom and I send it every day. At
They
work,
will
we
send-
both keep sending it to
They
each
will
other.
send to me how to be a good daughter.
Until next time.
Until
stay
then, stay
Besharam. Bye.